Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are good and safe at your home. So, now let's start today's class. Till now, what we have done, we have started our chapter number 7, that is getting to know plants, and we have studied about different parts of the plants and their function. What we have studied, we studied about the types of plant, that there are three types of plant: herbs, shrubs and trees. And after this, climbers and creepers are also there, and we studied about their parts and the examples also. After this, we studied about the parts of plant, that is the main parts of plant, root system and the shoot system. And we studied that the root system is the system that is under the ground, is that remains under the ground, and the shoot system is up above the ground. So we studied about two types of systems in the plant: root system and the shoot system. We studied about the importance of roots in plants also, and their function. We studied about two types of root: tap root and the fibrous root. In the shoot system, we studied about the stem. What's the importance of stem? We studied, we discussed the function of stem and the leaf, and in that we studied about the different parts of the leaf, that were petiole, lamina, veins and midrib. So 4 parts were there. This we have already discussed. And after that, we studied about the venation. Means in a plant, in a leaf, the veins are arranged in such a way so it forms a pattern. So this is known as venation, and this we have studied earlier also. The parallel venation and the reticulate venation, this we have studied in the previous videos. Now if you have not watched these videos, if you have not watched, so please go and check them again, because this portion is very important. So we should know each and everything about the plants. Now today what we'll study about the most attractive, most beautiful part of the plant. What's that? Can you guess? Yes, it is the flower of a plant. So today we'll study about the flower. We'll discuss about the flower, parts of flower we'll discuss. Okay, so let's begin. Now we all know the most beautiful and attractive part of the plant is a flower. We always like flowering plants, yes or no? So it is the most beautiful part of the plant, and the different parts of the flower are, what are the different parts of the flower? So in a flower, sepals are there, petals are there, stamen is there, pistil is there. So these are the main parts of the plant. 4 main parts of plants are sepal, petal, pistil and stamen. So these are the most important part of a flower. Okay, so after this we have to know. Now we all know that flowers are available in different colors, different. They are having different fragrance, and they are having different colors, shapes, size. So all flowers are different, but what's common in all the flowers is their body parts. Their parts are similar. So as we have said that there are 4 main parts: sepal, petal, stamen and pistil. So they are 4 parts of the plant. So we will see where they are present in a plant, in a flower. So this is a flower. This is a flower of hibiscus, or we can say China rose. Now here, this is the whole flower. Now it start from here. We'll start these outer green color part. This outer green color part is known as what? This is sepal. I'll show you. I'm marking that. Just see it. This green part, as you can see in the picture, this green petals, these green, these are what? These are sepals. These are known as sepal. These are present outside the flower. If this is a flower outside it, it is pasted all around like this. So these are what? These are sepals. You can remember it like this: sepal, sepoy. What the sepoy do? They protect us. Similarly, where they stand on the boundary line of the country. Similarly, the outside the flower's boundary, who's present? Sepals. Sepal, sepoy. You can learn it like this, okay? So outside this is sepals. Outermost part, that is the green structure. They are generally green structure, so that are known as sepals. And where is the petal? Petal is this beautiful bright colored, red colored, yellow colored, different colors are available. So these are known as petals. So they are known as petals. And these structures, these thin structures, as you can see, these thin structures like this, they are known as what? They are known as? They are known as stamen. What they are known as? They are known as stamen. And inside the stamen, filament and anther are there. We will discuss this later on. And this is the pistil. This whole part that is in the center, it is like a funnel. You can see this funnel shaped one, and the center is known as the pistil. This is known as the pistil. Pistil is present in the center of a flower, and other these fringes are known as the stamen. And I'll show you once again. Here, this green structure in the center of the flower is known as the pistil. It is known as pistil. And these fringes, as you can see here, these thick strands, they are known as stamen. They are known as stamen. And the part that is present in the center, this green part that is present in the center, this is known as pistil. They are known as pistil. And pistil is also having some parts that we will discuss later on. 3 parts it is having. So this is all about the flower. Means a flower is having 4 parts. First one is the sepal. Sepal is where the outermost covering of the flower that is present here on the base of the flower, that protect the flower, okay? Sepal is there. After that, petals are there, then stamen, and then the next one is the pistil. So there are main 4 parts of the flower. Now we will see them one by one. First of all, we will discuss about the sepals. So what are sepals? It is the outermost layer of the flower. Sepals are the outermost layer of the flower. Often they are small, green, leafy like structure. They protect the inner parts of the flower. As I have told you that the outer layer of the flower, that is very small and green in structure. As you must have seen a rose flower, when it is in the bud stage, a green cover covers the a green leaves, a leaf type covers the flower. Inside that flower is red flower, you can see, and outside that what are there? They are sepals, and slowly it begins to bloom. And these sepals, their size not decreases, they remains the same size, but the size of the petals inside the sepals increases. Is it clear? Sepal is what? The green small we can say parts are there attached to the flower. They are known as sepals. And what's their work? They protect the flower. They protect the flower, inside flower, okay? As I told you, sepal, sepoy, so they are having the same work. They protect the flower. Sepoy, sepoy. So what's the work of sepoy? Sipahi we say in Hindi. Sipahi, what does the Sipahi do? They protect our country. So where they stand on the border. Where they are present on the border. Similarly, who protect the flower? Sepals protect the flower, and they are outside the flower. They are on the border of the flower, outside, okay? Now after this, petals. So petals, you all know, they are bright and colorful broad part of the flower. They can be of various size and shapes, and may also have fragrance. You all know flowers possess what? They possess fragrance, and they are attracted. They means they are loved by everyone, even the Animals also love them. Butterfly, honeybee, all sits on the flower only, on the petals. They are beautiful and colorful. Now the stamen. What is this stamen? Now one thing, stamen is the male reproductive part of a flower. Yes, in the flower also male and female reproductive parts are there. So stamen are the male reproductive part of the flower. So how you will remember this? A trick is there. What is there? Men, men, stamen. And in this one also, men means plural of man. So stamen, stamen. So you can see from here, so this is a word muscular. This one is muscular because it is having men, men. It is having man, so it is muscular. So as you can see here, men, man, muscular. Man, this male. So stamen is a male reproductive part and pistil is female reproductive part. So two parts are there. Stamen, man, male. So male reproductive part, and that other one is the female reproductive part. So long stick like structure inside the petals are stamen. I have shown in the figure also. These are long stick like figures inside the plant. They are like this and small like this. They are present inside the flower like this. They are, so they are what? They are known as the stamen and they are the male reproductive part of the flower. Stamen is the male reproductive part of flower. Now let's see this female reproductive part. This is the female reproductive part. No, this is stamen, that is the male reproductive part, and in this stamen two parts are there. Stamen consists of two parts. First one is the anther and other one is the filament. These long structures, these long green structures are known as filament. What they are known as? They are known as filament, and this red portion, or they are having yellow type of powdery structure. So they are known as anther. What they are known as? They are known as anther. Repeat with me. This portion on the top are known as anther and this green stalk is known as what? This is known as filament. These are the part of what? These are the parts of stamen. Stamen is the male reproductive part of a flower. Very good. Now let's move to the female reproductive part of the flower, that is the pistil. So pistil is the female reproductive part of the flower. The ovary contains small bead-like structure which are called ovules. Now, as I have told you, the pistil is present in the center of the flower and it is like in the vasc shape, like this it is. Now, so this is what? This is the pistil, and inside the pistil, small ovules are present. Small eggs are present and these eggs are known as ovules. What they are known as? They are known as ovules, and this portion where ovules are present is known as ovary. What it is known as? It is known as ovary. So ovules are present in the ovary. Okay, ovules of a flower are present in the ovary. Is it clear? So through these ovaries only a new plant is produced. These are the, you can say, seeds. So pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower, and inside this what is present? Ovules are there. So ovary is present in pistil and inside the ovary ovules are present. Now this is what? This is the pistil, and in the pistil three main parts are there. First one is style, then stigma, and then ovary. So topmost part of this one, what's that? Pistil is known as stigma. Who's okay? Who's on the top? Means who's most important for you? Ma. Who's most important for you? Ma. So stigma. So topmost part is ma. Stigma. And here You can see ma. So where ma, what's the place of ma in your life? Top place, yes or no? So on the top, who's there? Stigma is there on the top. Then the style, because it's a female reproductive part, so style. Okay, female reproduct in the style is present in the female reproductive part of the flower. So style is present in the female reproductive part of the flower, and it is here. You can see it is here. Now this part is like a egg, so O, like this is, so this is ovary. It is ovary and it is bulged outward like this. So this is the ovary, and the topmost part is stigma. Next one is style, as it is a female reproductive part, so style. Then the bulged out work, inside which eggs are present. Eggs are O in shape, so ovary. Eggs are oval in shape or round, ovary. So they, it is what? Ovary. Is it clear? So three parts are there: stigma, style, and ovary. So three parts are present in the pistil. So this is all about the parts of flower. So let's quickly recap them. Was it interesting or not? Hope you find it interesting. And if you have any doubt, you can watch the videos again. You will get to know all the points very clearly. So we were discussing about this flower. So let's, as we have done the all the topics of this, so let's see. So where is, I told you something. So where are sepals present? Sepals are present where? On the outermost layer, on the outermost side. This is what, this green part is what? These are the sepals. As you can see, this green leaves here. So these all are what? These are the sepals. And inside the sepals, these red colored, bright red colors thing is what? These are called petals. Petals of a flower. Yes, petals. Now these you can see many lines are there. I'll show you with some different color. I'll mark them with black color. So these, as you can see, this broad lines structure, these structures are what? These structures are stamen. M-E-N. What's that? Man. What is what? Man? Male reproductive. So these are the male reproductive part of the flower, and they are known as stamen. And in this stamen, two parts are there. If this is a stamen, so what are the two parts of this stamen? What are the two parts in a stamen? So two parts in a stamen are what? Just tell fast. Anther and the filament. So two parts in the stamen are anther and the filament. And what we were discussing now, after this, it is what? Female reproductive part of the plant, that is the pistil, and it is present in the center of the flower, and it has three parts. First one is the who's having the top this top position in your life? Your mother, ma. So stigma on the top, it is the female reproductive part. So what's there? Style is there. And the third one, eggs are in what shape? Oval shape. So eggs are produced where? In the ovary. That's all. That's all about the parts of a flower. Hope you understood it well. So what you have to do, you have to watch all the videos of this chapter again, and you can make your own notes in your rough notebook. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe. Sai Ram.